And our two referee for tonight is Referee Romel and Referee Jong. It's first, basket position of Cebu. It's Labaluy! Alright, Nobel Labaluy! 2-0! Cebu up by 2. Del Rosario. Pass. Back to Del Rosario, 10 seconds to shoot. Long play, short, air ball, press. Turnover up, Calabarzon. It's 9 minutes and 30 seconds to 0. Labaluy. Now forever Javier. Short again. It's the punching bag, Matibag. Hey, go by the punching bag, Matibag. 4-0. Now Cebu up at 2. Run, stop up. It's a white ball, white ball. Viernes, time to shoot. Del Rosario. Foul. And too strong rebound on. It's black ball, black. Cebu that squad ball, Cebu that squad. Now, Labaluy now. Running. Looking for the punching bag, Matibag. Oh, back-to-back shot by the punching bag, Matibag. 6-0. Now, Cebu up by 6. And we'd like to thank our sponsors. Drive, pass, it's foul. Foul on number 14 on Matibag, punching bag. It's first on the punching bag, Matibag. First against Cebu. 6-0 score, 6-0. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista at 1-6. Now 5-point lead now on Cebu. And one of our table committee for the night, Brother N. Abdulaziz Mark from the town of Dumaguete. Now running goes, nice pass, Del Rosario, play! Too strong, top. Now Viernes, play, Del Rosario, stop up. Blang! By the punching bag, Matibag, 14 to shoot. Viernes, Rocket, stop, up, Rocket, strong, oh, by the strong guy, Rocket. 3-6. Now, Cebu up by 3. Javier forever, Javier. Running forever now, Javier. One scoop shot by Javier, now 8. Against the 3 now, 5-point lead on Cebu. Del Rosario. Okay, Viernes. Del Rosario again. Guarded by Norcos Octopus. Viernes. Air ball. Rebound on the result. What a great pullback now. 5-8. Now 3-point lead on Cebu. What a great pass by Pibas. Labaluy escape. Stop. Up. Favorite shot. Short. Rebound by Pibas. All alone is Del Rosario. Top Viernes. Del Rosario. It's 2-2. Viernes, black. Now Labaluy is still. Labaluy now is 4-2. Labaluy looking for forever Javier. Short. Roque. Now Roque now. Guarded by forever Javier. Roque. Stop up. Still by Labaluy. It's Labaluy now. Kick at pass on Norcos now. Oh! Turnover on Octopus Norcos. It's 5 minutes. Remaining time for first quarter, first game. For our inter-province category, it's Calabarzon versus Cebu. 5. Now Roque is still by the Octopus Norcos. Unselfish pass. Oh! Then short by Labaluy. It's Bebas. It's a white ball, as the referee Jong decide. Now 3 minutes 34 seconds. Jeffrey is foul.
Zero 1. First personal foul. First team foul.
First personal foul on Viernes. It's first team foul against your result. It's 8-9-5. Back to 4-point lead on Cebu. Now 2 up to 2 coming from Jeffrey. 10-5. 5-point lead now, Cebu.
Tira.
Viernes drives game.
Rep.
Steal now, Jeffrey. Norcos off the bus. Let me know it. Now, steal. Now, go forever, Javier. 12-5. 7-point lead now, Cebu. It's white ball. Turnover on Cebu. Steal. Viernes. Up, far, all alone. Too strong, top. Jeffrey. Oh, no, Jeffrey running. It's 4-2. Jeffrey drive. Let me do it. Yes, on Jeffrey. Now 14 against 5. 9-point lead now, Cebu. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. First quarter. First game or first match. Bebas. Too deep. Bebas again. Second time around. One move by Bebas. It's 7-14. Now back to 7-point lead on Cebu. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Louis. Stop up. Great move. Very great try, Louis. 2 minutes. Bebas. Man. Basket down and one on Bebas. Foul on Matibag na punching bag. Second team foul on Cebu. Second personal foul on Matibag na punching bag. Bonus free throw shot for Bebas. Forever Javier. Laberloy now running, gunning. Laberloy looking for Norcos out the post. Time out on Carabason. It's 18 against 9. It's 9-point lead on Cebu.
Sino yan? Sino nakashoot? Si Norcos, Matibag. Yung huli. Norcos, diba?
And then we'd like to thank our sponsors. Our number one fan, Scholar Sports, Basketballista Mike, GHS, Provident Agency, and TUI, Abu Dhabi. Back to the ball game, 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Saan ba yung last?
Wait a minute.
Sandali.
Pwede ba napat?
Electrical tape lang yan.
Pero okay, si Benes. Ha? Di ba siya, ano?
Wala na?
Napigis lang ay? Ay, kayang-kaya yan. I-dive pa yan bukas.
Sa kalpuso ng mga yan. Banding na lang, banding. Alcohol.
Sino yung isang 25 na yun? Par pala yun. Par number 6.
Green na green naman. We have one of our audience for tonight, Lady in Green.
Pili ng number 25? Ha? Lakas nun, si Bibas. Si Loy? Hindi ko ka ni Loy? Yan ni si Loy.
Orbit ka.
Ay, tanggal ka naman. Ano? Ano mo natuyo na?
1 minute and 50 seconds, Cebu 18 against Carabason by 9.
Tinanggal mo lang sana yung bulak.
Ha? Walang bulak yun?
Diretso yun?
Hindi, nalagyan ng alcohol.
Back to Luque.
Alfonso lang yan.
Now, Luque. Guarded by the Laberloy. Roque for three. Bang, bang, bang! Roque! 12-18. 6-point lead on Cebu. Laberloy. Now Norcos Octopus, let me try. Short rebound on Norcos Octopus again. Back. It's Viernes. Now Del Rosario. Del Rosario stop. Del Rosario drop. Nice pass outside. It's Pepas. Pepas guarded by. Now it's Javier. In and out. Jeffrey. Laberloy. Stop. Pump. Now forever Javier. Yes, on forever Javier. 20. Against Claude. Steal again by Forever Javier. Forever Javier now. Looking for Loy. Laberloy. Unselfish pass again to Norcos Octopus. Bang! 22. Against Claude. It's a 12-10 point lead now. See you 47 seconds. Roque. Stop up. Nice move by Roque. It's foul.
Matibag, tatlo ka na.
Foul again on number 14 on the punching bag, Matibag. It's third on Matibag. First 13 foul against Cebu, 37 seconds first quarter. 22 against 12.
Bigay mo na, bigay na. Bigay. Kilas.
White ball, 39 seconds, 29.
Ang lamig talaga.
Okay na yan, kasi nandyan si Malangkit.
Del Rosario. Viernes.
Pastor.
Wala pass by Viernes. Stop up. Rebound on Laberloy. Laberloy now. Unselfish pass again on Norcos Octopus. Take. Norcos to Jeffrey. Out again now. 9 seconds. 5. And now for first quarter, score 20-12. All by Cebu. Second quarter ready, second quarter.
Di man bawal man sa mga na haraman ng birthday. Bautista.
Back to the ball game. It's Calabarzon ball, Calabarzon.
Nakagalit ka pa ako kanina. Hindi ko akong pahinga dyan. Ha? Mutik na naman ako.
Defense on block.
Saan tayo? Siyempre. Sino ito? Pilido? Balang dito. Number 12.
Oh, welcome back to a hit from the Philippines. Now, Viernes. Baloca. Short. 22-12 our score. It's now Buko in the ball game, number 28.
Bola.
Now he's looking for his highlights tonight. Oh, it's now Malagos. Stop, pump. Now looking for the ball again. Now it's Buko. Buko time or ball. First basket now, rebound. 10 seconds to shoot. It's a white ball. 9 minutes and 23 seconds. Baloca. Bam! Second time around by Baloca. 15 against the 22. Now Buko. Malakit na. Pass outside. Bautista fake. Too strong. Baloca rebound. Baloca baseball pass. Now Pepas all the way. Pepas again. All the way to Pepas. Samchan. Pepas 17. Against the 22. Now 5-point lead on Cebu. Now the Dagger. Mr. Dagger now. Ball game. Bulago! Bang! Basket down and one on the Dagger. Ball hits.
Silang foul?
First personal foul on Calabarzon.
25.
First on Roque. 8 minutes and 31 seconds, 24 to 17. It's a 7-point lead now on Cebu. 8 minutes and 31 seconds. Nice shot from Mr. Dagger. Balagat now 25-27. It's an 8-point lead now of Calabarzon. Roque! Wow! Big guy, Roque. 19 to 25. It's a 6-point lead now, Cebu. Now, Balagat. Outside, both mga panganiban. Wala ko! May panganiban! 27-19. Back to 8-point lead at Cebu. 8 minutes. Roque, the big guy now. Steal. It's not that Dagger now running. Mr. Dagger, 3-on-2. Dagger now, nice ball to Cesar Bautista. It's same ball. Nice defense on Maloka. 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Still Cebu. Out by 8. Short. Rebound now. It's 2-1. Now it's 2-1. Running man Maloka all alone. It's Maloka. 21-27. 6-point lead now on Cebu. Now Buko. Now it's Mr. Dagger now. Buko. Now all alone. Second time around. Bang! Bang, bang, bang. On Buko. What a shot. What a highlight shot coming from Buko. Now we'll have a 1 million views for Buko. 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Viernes. De Rosario. Short, top. It's on this side. Wow. Foul on 0-0 on Bebas. First personal foul on Bebas. Second team foul. Calabarzon in 6 minutes and 38 seconds. Second quarter, first game, first match. Calabarzon versus Cebu. Second time around. Short. Rebound on De Rosario. Maloka. Maloka. Oh, all but goal. Maloka. 23-30. Now the Dagger, Mr. Dagger now. Foul. Foul on number 14 on Del Rosario is first against Del Rosario. Against the 23. Six minutes. Maloka. All but goal, Maloka. Now, tap, looking for Bebas. Bebas, 1-1 is equal. Ice foul. Foul on BOKCO Buko. First on Buko. First team foul on Cebu. 14 na siya, check 14. Roque. Rebound on Panganiban. Panganiban now. Panganiban now. Stop up. Is Mr. Dagger Balagay. 33. Against 23. Back to 10-point now Cebu. Del Rosario. And by 2. It's foul.
Hey, honesty.
Again, foul on number 28 on BOKCO Buko. Second on Buko. Air ball. Nothing but net, nothing but ring. It's now called by Viernes. Malajos. The Cebuan outshot. Malajos now 1-1. That Malajos, and now it's running back. Looking for Panganiban. Let me try. Oh! Again in and out by BOKCO Buko. It's now Roque. 1-1. Unselfish pass. Bebas Hamsan short. Bebas again. Third time around. Oh, Bebas is 25-23. 8-point lead now on Cebu. Bautista is foul. Foul on number 13 on Old But Gold. Balok, it's person Balok at 30 foul on fourth on Calabarzon. Warning on Calabarzon for penalty. Shot by Bautista, 34 against the 25 by 2-9-point lead on Cebu. It's 2 out of 2 coming from Bautista. 4 minutes and 23 seconds. Outball goal, Baraka. Atin pa yung Malachos. Dahil si Juan Achat. Outball goal again, Balosa. 27 to 35. It's just 8-point lead back to Cebu. 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Now the dagger. Looking for si Juan Achat, Malachos. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Malachos. Oh, turnover again on Calabarzon. 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
38.
Time out! On Calabarzon. It's the first time out of the game, second quarter. 38 against 27. It's 11-point lead on Cebu. And timeout is brought to you by Color Sports, the #1 sportswear in Abu Dhabi. Basketballista Mike.
Chewy.
And Mang Inasal fried chicken. Back to the game. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista Mike. Thank you for watching our live.
Bola. Hello.
Pounding the truth. The dagger. Now BOCO now. Back to the dagger. Now Cebuano Achat running now. Cebuano second time around short. Rebound on Bautista. Bautista drive. Back. Yes, Bautista smiley face. Bautista 40 to 27. 30-point Cebu. Del Rosario. Too strong. Tap. Del Rosario again. Second time around. Again short. Running up. Now Bautista. It Bautista it's rubbing violation as the referee call. 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Second quarter. 14 is at 14. Del Rosario. Now old but goal. Baloka. 10 to shoot. Rebound on Bautista. Now Panganiban. Panganiban now. Panganiban stop. Panganiban now ruling. Panganiban looking for the dagger. Left hand drive. Short. Del Rosario top. Bautista. Big. Bautista is foul. All on old but goal. Baloka. Now Calabarzon and penalty. 2 free throw shot. On Bautista. Second personal foul on old but goal. Baloka. It's 1 minute and 50 seconds, 40 against 27. It's 1 out to 2 coming from Bautista. It's 41 against 227. It's a 0 run coming from Cebu. Roque. All on 0-0. First personal foul on Bautista, 13 foul against Cebu. It's 1 minute and 33 seconds. Nice free throw shot coming from Roque. It's 28 to 41. It's 2 out of 2 coming from Roque. It's now 29-41. It's still Damas. Drive. Black by Bautista. Out Panganiban. Panganiban now, guarded by Pierres. Panganiban skate. Panganiban now, looking for help. Cebuano hot shot. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, Cebuano hot shot. Malachos. Damas, stop up. It's foul. Foul on number 4 on Cebuano hot shot. Malachos, it's warning for penalty on Cebu. First personal foul against Cebuano hot shot. Malachos, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Roque. Roque now, 10 to shoot. Okay. Now Malachos. Running. Stop up. Looking for Yogi Bugo. Bugo now, can I shoot her back? What a shot coming from Mr. Bugo. Star rebound again by Bautista. Number 2. Ay, steal by Roque. 1-1 by Bautista. Rock third.
Di, dito oh. 0-1, foul. Penalty.
Yeah, penalty net. It's penalty.
Second personal
Second
foul.
personal foul on Sir Bernes.
Sino yung nakashoot? Si Bibas?
Slow motion ba? Slow motion.
What a shot.
Microphone niya muna.
32-46. What a shot coming from EOCO. We call them now Green Buko.
Hindi, si ano, Balangkit.
Now 33-46 now. It's a 13-point lead now on Cebu. Turnover.
Uy, basket count. 37.
Now Mr. Dagger, Balagit. Guided by 2, drive. Balagit now, escape. Balagit, it's on pass to mga Libanese. 10 seconds, 10. Bilasano. Oh, nice defense by Bautista. Winbogo. And now for second quarter score, it's 47-32. 15-point lead on Cebu. Oh, bawas tayo muna. Bawas.
31 lang yan.
Si Bernes po ayun. Si Bernes
Para Diyos.
And we'd like to thank our sponsors. The number 1 sportswear on Abu Dhabi, Score Sports Abu Dhabi, Basketballista Mike, Chewy Abu Dhabi, and the Inkers, our manager Alex Romero. Shout out for our boss Alex Romero, for our the Inkers tattoo. And we'd like to thank our two referee for tonight, Referee Romel and Referee Jobong on action.
First option natin, pakainin natin bola sa loob. Oh, bawas konti. Tapos, boss, pagka kaya mo, huwag mo nang banggayin, kaya mo sila bumanggas nila.
And of course, one of our audience for tonight, another our next, the Green, Lady in Green. Now we'll call him Green Buho. Third quarter.
Ilan kayo?
Piso, 120, 2 piso sa kabila.
Plus 5 pa tayo, Cebu. Plus 5.
Saan ang plus 5? Plus 5 ba? Tanggalong yan. Ilan ang score nito? Plus 5.
Now 52 against 31 our score. Now Laberluy. Top. Roque. Bebas drive. Bebas let no. Scoop shot by Bebas is turned into 52. Back to 19-point lead on Cebu. Laberluy. Norcos.
Nice!
Dito.
Bang! Oh, Norcos Octopus. Back-to-back shot now by Bebas. It's 35-55. 10-point lead on Cebu.
Harap! Tingin sa pula, tingin!
54 lang yan. Hindi kay Norcos?
Tira!
12 points.
Stu strong air ball. Bebas Roque.
Now, out good go!
Ito nga, oh.
Wala.
Now 37-55.
Sino ka siya, si Par?
Louis. And to shoot.
Microphone nga may problema. Naglulus na.
Now. Same ball. 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Wala tayo second game.
Tira na!
Turnover on Cebu.
Saan game mo?
Kilay daw!
Ready stop.
6 minutes.
Kuha na mo yan, oh.
Kilay! Tira!
Rebound on Old Patrol. Baloka, 1-1. Nice defense on Jeffrey. Big. Now Roque. Release foul. Foul on number 20, the Kingfisher Jeffrey. First personal foul on the Kingfisher Jeffrey. 5 minutes and 31 seconds. 14 set clock. Now it's Del Rosario. Short out. Rebound on number 9. And check this pass. Norcos Octopus looking for Forever Javier. Top. Norcos Octopus. Too strong. Top. Old Patrol. Javier Forever Javier. Now 57 to 37 sa 20-point lead now. Cebu. Nice shot by Bebas. 39 to 57. Labernoy.
Ay, hindi po. Ano po meron?
10 seconds to shoot. Kingfisher is Forever Javier. It's black ball. 4 minutes and 36 seconds.
Sab kayo, walang sab.
Pag sure ba? Pag sure.
Shot!
And 6 points lead coming from Forever Javier.
O, apat pa.
Now Old but gold, Baloka. 41-61. Labernoy. Nice pass. Now Forever again. Rebound now. It's 2-1. Nice pass. It's Bebas. All alone. By Bebas. Labernoy. Adil pa Del Rosario. Stop. Up. Looking for Forever Javier. Too strong. Del Rosario. Now it's now 2 Old Patrol. Baloka. 1-1. All over is 3-2. Baloka. Old Patrol. Reverse steals. 10 to shoot. Blocked by the Kingfisher Jeffrey. Itapachibag Matibag. Wala mo Matibag is 63-41.
Di matibag.
Time out. On Calvarzon and time out is brought to you by the number 1 Score Sports. It's Score Sports. The number 1 sportswear on Abu Dhabi. Basket Police sa mic. Watch and live all the games of Muslim Night on Facebook page and YouTube channel. And of course, we'd like to thank to referee for tonight. It's the referee Jomo in action and referee Manuel Romel. And we'd like to thank our viewers. We have 3 viewers for tonight. One is the lady in green. 3 minutes and 14 seconds. El Rosario. Now on pot call, Baloga. Roque. It's foul.
Matibag, apat.
Alan, punching bag, matibag now, punching bag, fourth foul, warning on matibag. Second team foul against Cebu, it's 2 minutes and 50 seconds, substitution up.
Maya.
Basket substitution up. Ban Panganiban will come into matibag. Shot. Early warning, early entry.
Ano pwede ka usap? Ay. Kung naman, village naman.
Maya na.
Matibag. Whoa! Labaroy!
Sige.
Labaroy again! Attack this pass! Steal! Substitution up! Substitution. Ban Panganiban will come in.
Ano magiging?
Norcos Octopus! Ban Panganiban! And to shoot! Bay! Short! Labaroy! 10 seconds to shoot! Short! 2 minutes and 2 minutes.
Ano yung ginamos?
Lumayo, bola!
Oh, where are you, Labaroy? You can defend me, Labaroy. 67-41. 43-65. Relax. Watch the movie. Time to shoot! 5! Rebound Kingfisher now. Tap. It's Forever Javier. Time to shoot! Forever Javier. Shoot! Rebound again on Panganiban. Now Pebas. Luebas now. Steal. Del Rosario. 2 on 3. Del Rosario drive. You're looking for now. It's out. Pirata. Hey, stop! Bang! All but hold. Barioka. 1 minute and 21 seconds. 65-45. Back to 20 point lead at Cebu. Labaroy.
Bang! Uy! Uy!
Oh! Ban Panganiban. 50 seconds.
Basta, okay na. Hindi na dugo.
40. Nice pass. It's Bebas. Short. Oh, short. Hang time, Bebas. 15. Forever Javier. 10 seconds. 5. Foul. Foul on Ban Panganiban's 13 foul on Cebu. Second personal foul against Ban Panganiban.
Una pa lang. Third na.
3 seconds remaining time, third quarter, 3 seconds. (48 to 69). It's 1 up to 2 coming from Bebas. And now for third quarter score, Cebu 69, Calabarzon, 648.
Mga 2 to 3 minutes.
No mercy, no mercy.
Karash. Parang may tumupusok.
Fourth tayo, sir.
Fourth quarter. Ang Green Buko na basketball game. Green Buko, 48-69. Calabarzon ball, Calabarzon.
Papabayarin natin.
Ganun gawa sa skateboard.
Hey, may tatlo ka pa, B.
Fuse belt. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10,
Parang si Darwin lang ah.
15, 14, 19, 22.
Minus points, referee.
2 points kami ha.
As the manager says, minus point out, manager says.
Sige na!
Fourth quarter.
Bayaran.
Roque. Del Rosario. Now on by goal. Bautista. Bautista now. Bautista drive all the way out. Nice defense on Del Rosario. It's 9 minutes and 43 seconds. Last quarter. This is a South first game na matibag na pansimbang. Score 71-48. Del Rosario. Short. Rebound by Bautista. Now it's Malajos. Tibuano siya too strong. Rebound on na matibag. Black. Elpar. Now Roque. Steal. Roque is Malajos. Bautista top. 1-1. Bautista make. And the foul on Bautista. First team foul on Cebu.
Ayaw ito, may tabo ka tuyo ka. Kaya ito, ano siya? Pinsa. Walang kumpiyansa.
Oh, old bat goal. Talaga?
Dili.
Painit kayo.
Wala sa penalty. Oh, wala sa penalty yan.
Tira!
Offensive yun eh. Sinang foul nun? Si Bautista? Hindi. Personal lang niya. Sikan niya, sikan. Wala sa...
B, ayaw na, B.
Now old bat goal. Nice defense on Barangay. Now Malajos. Now Cebuano hot shot. Period 2. Step up. Now elbow jumper. Rebound on net. Bang! Oh, Mr. Dagger. Balagheads. It's 7 minutes and 90 seconds. Bang, bang, bang! On Viernes. 53-73. 24-3 now. On Cebu. Goal but goal. Baroka, all but goal. All but goal. Now 55-73. It's an 18-point lead now on Cebu. Mr. Tago now. Now it's Green Buko. Escape, stop up. Looking for Bautista. Bautista now, stop running from now Malajos. It's Malajos. Samchan. Bang! I can shoot 3. I can shoot 2. And I can shoot 1. It's Malajos. 75-55. Viernes. Now Malajos. 5 minutes. Running time. Now Malajos again. Whoa! It's Malajos. The Cebuano at 77-55. 5 minutes. Del Rosario. Nice pass. Roque. Bang! Basket down and one on Roque. Foul on Malajos. It's 57 against 77. Substitution up. Second team foul on Cebu. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Bonus free throw from the big guy, Roque. It's white ball, white. ball. Last touch on black ball. It's carrying the ball on Bautista. 4 minutes 37 seconds on the last quarter. Viernes. All but goal, Baroka. All but goal now. 1-1 by Winbuko. All but goal is scoop. Too strong tap. It Bautista. Traveling violation as Referee Romel. 4 minutes and 19. Bautista. It's 1-1. It's too strong. Oh, si Bonacet. Now it's all but goal. Baroka, stop up. Stop, looking for Bebas. Bebas all alone. Bang, bang, bang. Bebas. It's 16 to 77. 17 point lead now on Cebu. Short. Coast to coast by Gil Rosario. Green Bugo.
Kami.
Bebas. Okay. Time out. On Cebu, 64 against 77. Now 13 point lead now on Cebu. And timeout is brought to you by Coro Sports, Rubber Sports, and Cebu.
Malayo pa yan. 4 minutes pa yan.
Basketballista Mind, we're live on the Facebook page as we have 3 viewers for tonight. And now we're 4 viewers for tonight. And next game for still our inter-province category. Ismin versus Bistak. Now that Dagger, Mr. Dagger now, Balakit. Green Buko. Punching ball. Rebound Bautista. Now, it's 2-1, Di Rosario. Now a ball, tap. It's save ball, white ball, 2 minutes and 54 seconds. 14 to sunset, 14. Backcourt violation is backcourt violation. 2 minutes and 43 seconds remaining time.
Wala pa yun.
For our last quarter.
Minutes na lang yun. Apat na balik.
Now the Dagger. Guarded by Viernes. 10 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Foul on 0-0 on Bebas. First team foul for zone. Second personal foul against Bebas is 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Fourth quarter. Traveling violation, store number again by Cebu.
Eh, last fight tayo, bago tumira.
Top. Yan pala Diyos. The Dagger now. Mr. Dagger. 1 minute and 57 seconds last quarter. Balakit. Yun sila play. Bugo. Top. Ruge. On but goal. Baloka. 1 minute and 29 seconds.
Wala, ubos.
40 to shoot. 10. Foul.
Nice foul.
Foul against on Bebas. Third personal foul on Bebas. Second team foul on Calabar Stone.
Hello?
Bang! Mali! Malajos!
Ingat ha, ingat.
1 minute!
Time.
Bebas! 40 seconds. 35 seconds.
Wala.
Bing, sorry.
Allah. Eh.
Ganda! Sige! Magaling! Birahin!
Uy, ang kaya.
18 seconds, 18!
Birahin! Saan mo na, uy?
Wala.
81 against 66, 10 seconds.
Ay! Mali magawa sa pa.
5. And now again, our winner. It's Cebu 81 against 66.